Hey everybody, welcome back to our Sea World. I kind of have an unexpected video today. My Redcat Volcano Brushless EPX Pro has been making a really strange gear scratching noise every time I drive, and I'll show you right here. I don't know if you guys can hear that too well, but well, I can't get out to show you guys when I'm actually driving to hear it. But if you guys heard it, it's pretty loud. It seems to be scratching. It seems like the motor is just not in the right position anymore. So we're gonna dive into that right now. Okay, everyone, do not mind the really loud AC. It's about like a million degrees out here right now, so it has to be on for just a moment. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the gearbox out right here. You know, from what it seems like way up in here. It just seems like it's way too scratchy. I'm gonna have to do some testing, but it looks like we're too far away from the gear. I know you guys can't see that, and I cannot really lift this little piece off right here. The camera won't really focus. Yeah, I know you guys really can't see, but it seems to be a little too far away from the gear. I can't get this wheel out of the way, but see what I'm saying? A lot of play in there. Okay, so I found the right Allen key, and what I did is I put it in the one screw in here, and I moved the motor back and forth to where I sounded like it, you know, it sounded right. And I'm gonna go test it right now. Sounds really tight, but a lot better. Let me go test drive it out here. I used a little Allen key, and I went in, as I said before, and tightened it up and adjusted this. The gear that goes closest to the, technically I call it the flywheel gear, and how far it goes. I pushed it in more, and the sound was not completely gone, but it was completely and so much better. And it wasn't that scratchy sound. It's like solid, it's firm, it's got a good grip on the gears, and that is awesome. That worked out so well. So if you're ever wondering why your motor in there is sounding really scratchy and really high pitched, it could be that your gear is rubbing down and the teeth are getting rid, or it's getting torn apart, whatnot, or the motor is simply just moved a little bit away from the main flywheel gear or pinion gear or whatever type of gear they call it. So I moved mine closer, problem fixed. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.